In this video, you'll learn how to boot your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL into Android recovery mode. This process will allow you to access advanced system tools for maintenance and troubleshooting. Begin by turning off your Pixel 4 or 4 XL completely. To do this, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Once the menu is visible, select power off, wait until the screen goes completely black before proceeding. Ensuring that the device is fully shut down is crucial for accessing recovery mode properly. Next, press and hold both the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. Continue holding these buttons until the bootloader screen appears on your display. This screen indicates that your device is ready to proceed to the next step. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the menu options that are now visible on the screen. Look for the option labeled Recovery Mode in the list. Highlight this option using the volume buttons. Selecting this option is necessary to enter recovery mode, where you can perform various system maintenance tasks. Once recovery mode is highlighted, press the power button to select it. After you select recovery mode, you may see an Android logo accompanied by a warning screen. This is normal and indicates that the device is preparing to enter recovery mode. Press and hold the power button, then quickly tap the volume up button. This combination will allow you to bypass the warning screen and access the recovery menu. The recovery menu will now appear on your screen, presenting you with various options for system maintenance. From here, you can choose to perform actions like factory reset, wipe cache partition, or apply updates. Navigating through these options can help resolve issues or restore your device to its optimal performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.